you're having trouble with WhatsApp connecting on your iPhone, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll go through some quick fixes to get you back in touch. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's make sure that your internet connection is working properly. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection can use or cause WhatsApp to have trouble connecting. Check if you're connected to Wi-Fi or if your cellular data is turned on. You can try toggling these settings off and on again to refresh your connection. If your connection seems fine but WhatsApp is still not connecting, try restarting your iPhone. This can often resolve to temporary glitches. To restart your phone, press and hold the power button until you see the slider to power off slider. Swipe the slider, wait a few seconds and press the power button again to turn your iPhone back on. Once your iPhone is back on, open WhatsApp again to see if the issue is resolved. If you're still having trouble, ensure that WhatsApp has the necessary permissions. Go to settings, scroll down and find WhatsApp and make sure that cellular data and other permissions are enabled. Also check if there's a new version of WhatsApp available. Sometimes updating the app can fix connectivity issues. Open the App Store, search for WhatsApp and tap update if there's a new version available. If none of these steps works, it might be a good idea to check WhatsApp status on their official website or social media to see if there is a widespread issue. Lastly, if the problem persists, consider reaching out to WhatsApp support for further assistance. And that's it. That's it for today's troubleshooting tips. We hope this helps you solve your WhatsApp connection problem.